Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can make a drink water application using 5 simple lines of Python. So let's get started. So now I'm going to quickly jump onto my text editor. So this is the code that we would be writing. So I'm just going to show you how it works first. So I'm going to run this code and after a few seconds I will receive a notification. Just after a few seconds. As you can see, Python, there was a notification of please drink water and there was a cool message. So I'm going to show you how to do that and I'm going to guide you step by step through the whole coding process. So we are going to be building a drink water notification application. So I'm going to just clear this. So the first thing that we have to do is that we have to import time, and the two libraries that we're going to be using are time and player. So player we have to import a package named notification. If you don't have it already installed, you can go onto your terminal or your terminal if you are on Mac, and on a command line if you are on Windows, and you can just go ahead and write pip install. You have to write pip install player, player. So in my case, as you can see, it did not do it because I already have this library installed in my computer. For you, it will completely download and install everything, and if you still have any doubts, you can just leave them in the comments and I'll definitely respond to them. So after that is done, you have to import a library named time. Then from player you have to import a library named notification, and then you have to create an if statement of specifying underscore name is equals to in quotation marks underscore main. And so right here main and then underscore. Then you have to put a colon, and if you are in text editor, that will complete automatically indent the next line after you put that colon. But in case you are in a notepad and not in a text editor, you have to put 4 spaces instead of an indent. So that will do the same thing. Then you have to specify notification dot notify, and then you have to open a bracket, and in this bracket you have to specify a few parameters. And the parameters would be, the first one would be app name. So you have to give a name to your app. That would be, I'm gonna give it any name like Drinkify. Then you have to give a title to the notification message that pops up. So the title, and remember, after every parameter you specify, you have to put a comma. So after you've done that, you can just write please drink water. After that is done, you can pop on the message. The message that I'm going to be putting is, do you know water helps in maintaining water helps in maintaining the temperature of your body and keeps you cool. So that is the message that I'm going to be popping up. You can write any message you want. Then you are going to specify a timeout. So in my case, I'm going to specify 12 seconds. You can specify anything you want. After that is done, you can you have to say in that if statement, and you can just type time dot sleep. So that is a package that comes pre-built in time sleep. So this will help us telling the program that we want you to notify me every 60 seconds of that notification. So every 60 minutes or every 1 hour, it will notify you to drink your water. So I'm gonna just specify 60 into 60. Then I'm just gonna write a comment that it will notify in every hour. So you can just go ahead and run the code, and as you can see the notification error popped up, but the code has not been like the code did not quit yet, and every 60 minutes or every 1 hour it will notify you to drink your water. So if you are a beginner in Python, this is a really great project for you, and I hope you like it. And if you do, please smash the like button down there and subscribe to the channel. And also I'm going to be doing a shout out to any random subscriber that subscribes in this video, and I'll see you next time.